Hey everyone, as you know, Amanda Bynes was arrested, then put into a mental hospital, and also charged, or basically accused of, the judge threw out the charges, possession of marijuana and use of a bong. The bong was never found. Now, Bynes has put out a Twitter tweet today, which reads as follows, and as I read it, here's the graphic. Don't believe the reports about me being arrested. It's all lies. I was sexually harassed by one of the cops the night before, which is who then arrested me. He lied and said I threw a bong out the window when I opened the window for fresh air. Hilarious. He slapped my vagina. Sexual harassment. Big deal. Then I called the cops on him. He handcuffed me, which I resisted, quite unlike any of the reports stated. Then I was sent to a mental hospital. Offensive. I kept asking for my lawyer, but they wouldn't let me. The cops were creepy. The cops sexually harassed me. They found no pot on me or bong outside my window. That's why the judge let me go. Don't believe any reports. Now, what do I think? Look, it's always he said, she said, but I do think that it rises to the level of an investigation because it definitely seems very plausible that this could have happened to her. But my question is, what happened the night before and such that the cop came to encounter her in the first place? That has to be explained. On the other hand, if it's found that she's making all of this up, boy, she's in big trouble. So I don't think, look, it's not the first time Amanda has been arrested by the police. So judging by her past relationships with the police, I don't think she's making this up just to get herself out of a jam. Besides the charges were dropped, she doesn't have to. Sounds like this happened to her and it should be investigated. What say you?